Hello everyone, I am Sahaj Gupta. I am from Bardwani, Andhra Pradesh. I am in 10th standard. I am much interested in robotics, so I take part in Naventram 4.0 in innovative board category, where I made my all-in-one robot which perform various functions at one time. So I introduce my robot in video.
Check this.
Yes, I can explain you the robot hardware. So the first thing is this, the robot microcontroller. This is Arduino Uno. And the second thing is ultrasonic sensor, which can measure the distance. This has it has 4 pin VCC, trigger, echo, ground. And the third thing is this Bluetooth sensor, which can connect mobile to the robot. So it has 6 pin, but the main pins are this 4 pin. Ground 5 volt, TX or RX. And this is our motor shield L298N. So it has 6 pin. These two pins are control the speed of the robot, and these 4 pins are motor control, and these two pins connect with the motor, and this is our motor wheel. These are our wheels, and this is our switch, and these are some jumper wire connect with to zip tie. And the back side of robot is some 3 lithium cells or 1 battery holder. So that is the hardware part of the robot, and 2 gear motor, which is approx to 300 rpm, and this is our free wheel. And this is IR sensor, which can using for line following robot. It has 3 pin, output, ground or VCC. It has IR, receiver or transmitter. And the last thing is it can connect to the robot with this remote. So we can easily use the robot with this remote. So hope you understand the hardware part of the robot. Okay, so I can explain the app. I can connect the robot with mobile using Bluetooth. This is speed controller, obstacle avoiding, manual or line following robot. The center one is for voice control robot, and the 4 arrows are control the robot in different direction. Hope you understand the app. Now move to coding part. Okay, so I can explain you the coding part of the robot. So this is our library software serial.h, and these 2 pins are receive or transfer or RX or TX. This is our second library, named IR remote.h. This is our IR output pin, analog 5. And this is all our motor shield pin. This is servo pin, analog 4. And the voice control function started here. And this is our line following function. And this is obstacle avoiding robot function. It is ultrasonic reader to read the ultrasonic frequency. This is our void loop for forward, this is for backward, this is for turn right, this is for turn left, and this is for stop. Hope you understand some part of the code.